some of this potassium chlorate. I'm going to also carefully put it into my test tube. Now, when you do reactions, when you are performing experiments, I'm going to ask you to measure out your chemical. So the reactants, we have sugar. Oh, let's name them because that's just fun.
The first one can be
Greg.
I like Greg.
Okay. We don't have a Greg in the class, right? Because that would be kind of sad. So I picked a green one. So Greg is green, and the potassium chlorate is white. Okay. So just a quick reminder of safety. When you use a test tube in your test tube stand, you want to angle that test tube so you have a greater surface area for your flame to hit your test tube. If you have your test tube straight up and down, whatever is released is going to go straight up rather than give it a little bit more before it hits the ceiling. But also away from you. Never have it this way facing you. Real quickly, I'm going to turn on my gas valve and then I'm going to light my Bunsen burner.
Let me know when you want to turn this on.
It is. Isn't it on?
Head off.
Oh, is it really? Okay, good. I'm sure he'll do a bloopers reel. Great. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my gas on, and then I'm going to light my Bunsen burner. And because this is a demonstration, I'm going to describe to you what's happening to the potassium chlorate. So as that thermal energy is being contacts that test tube, glass is a conductor of heat, right? So what's happening is that potassium chloride is becoming a liquid, right? So now I see bubbles, which is really gas, right? It's looking like that potassium chloride is starting to boil. I see that the color of the flame right next to the test tube is orange, it's not blue, but everywhere else the flame is blue. And the liquid is not clear, it's like cloudy white. I would call it cloudy white.
Did you do it yet?
Not yet. So I pushed record and you're gonna have to edit. But
Is it going right now?
yes, it is. Hi. Liquid. It looks to be boiling.
How many grams did you put in there?
You know, about that much.
Okay.
So now we're gonna take poor sweet Greg, the last fun ride of his life. He's gonna slide down that test tube and he's going to meet his demise by meeting the liquid potassium chlorate. If we look at the products, can you, by looking at the products, make a prediction to what you expect to see? What do you think you might see? You might see water. Do you think you're gonna see a liquid coming out? Maybe. H2O is water, right? Okay. Any other predictions what you think you might see? Yeah. It's gonna melt. Okay. We might see this green guy kind of and melt. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Are you ready? Count down with me. 3, 2, 1. Slide away.
Dang, my hair's smoking.
I'm watching it burn.
Wow, that is for real.
That's like
It's like a mini firework.
Listen. And we're done. Yeah? The test tube, it's white. In the middle, it's black. And on top, it's brown.